Win 1. The first breath. Start your morning with one deep breath before you touch your phone. Just one. It's a reminder that you control the day. Not the notifications, not the world. You. Win 2. 1. Tough choice. Make one uncomfortable choice every day. Cold shower. The harder task. The honest conversation. Each small act of courage sharpens your mind like a blade forged in microfire. Win 3. The first 5 minutes. Work for just 5 minutes on something you've been avoiding. 5 minutes doesn't feel heroic, but it sneaks you into momentum, and momentum is the engine of discipline. Win 4. Anchor yourself. Pick one object, a bracelet, a keychain, a ring, and make it your reset anchor. Whenever your mind spirals, touch it. Let it remind you, you've survived worse. Breathe. Win 5. The honest check-in. Ask yourself once a day, am I living on autopilot or am I choosing my life? That question alone can snap you out of months of drifting. And listen, if these words feel like they're speaking your story, if you're someone quietly rebuilding yourself piece by piece, then stay with me. Walk this road with me. Subscribe, not for me, but to keep reminding yourself who you're becoming. There's more ahead, and I want you there for it. Win 6. One page of reflection. Not journaling, not long paragraphs, just one page where you dump whatever is in your head. Clarity is not something you find, it's something you create. Win 7. The 90-second rule. When you feel overwhelmed, give yourself 90 seconds. Sit with the emotion. Don't run. Don't distract. Let it wash over you and pass, because it will pass, and you'll come out calmer than before. Win 8. Tiny repairs. Fix one broken thing in your environment each day. A loose button, a messy drawer, a sticky note you've ignored for weeks. Every repair outside makes a repair inside. Win 9. Protect 1 hour. Give yourself 1 hour of sacred time. No messages, no noise, no chaos, just you and the work that matters. This is how a scattered life becomes a focused one. Win 10. The night promise. Every night, make one promise to the next day version of you. Something small, something doable, and keep it. That's how trust is built, not with motivation, but with self-respect.